So kind of get her on there and then seat it down. Push it with your thumb while you're holding your thumb here. This is cheap metal. This will bend. I can bend it just like that. So you want to back this with your other thumb while you're pressing this on. Once that's on, we're going to need to put a screw down here. This is the screws that came with your servo. So this is the one I told you to hold on to. This should start and go in here. Let's see if we can get that. Put that in there. And screw this down. Now, you want to make sure this is seated down tightly. If it's not seated all the way down, this screw will not start and go down in here. So there shouldn't be hardly any gap between our wheel and our servo. And I can hear it now spinning there. We're good to go. All right, I'm going to do the other one now. So the other one, you may already have like the ultrasonic sensor mounted onto here. So take that screw out of there, take this off, nice and easy. Pop this out of here, unthread this best you can. Easy. And then same thing. I'm going to put this one on now. I'm going to straighten this up a little bit since I was just bending it with my thumb. The splines go forward towards the line sensor. Just pop that in there. And then I'm going to start 2 more screws and nuts on this one. So here's my nut here, holding it with my pliers like this, grabbing one of these longer bolts here. Number 2 Phillips. I'm going to make my life a little easier and start at the top one this time, so it's a little easier to get to, and just kind of start threading it on there. So it's threaded on, it's started. I don't want to go any further because I still need some wiggle room to get this one on. So same story again. Grab another nut. These came from here. We'll give you some more too in case you lose one. Holding it just like that with the needle nose. Start another screw onto my Phillips head here. You can go top or bottom. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure it's kind of nice and tight. I'm going to start this first. Pop it on here. All right, and then same thing here. Grab this guy, and then just get it started. You'll see it start, and then I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this one up, and then tighten this one up. All right. So that's good. Put the wheel on here. Get these servos out of the way. Should be a second wheel with my guy here. Backing it up with my thumb again. Just kind of rotating it around until I feel it. I might have to wiggle a little bit. Put that on there. And then I'm going to finish it up with the other screw. So these guys are not good for the Phillips head, number 2 Phillips head. These little guys here are typically a 1 Phillips or a 0. I'm going to do 1. Looks like it's working well. Just nice and easy. Not pressing hard. I'm not trying to strip this thing out. Just put her on there. We're good to go. All right. So that now I have my servos installed. This one's got the cord going on. I'll probably thread these cords up through this little slot here, right in there. And now got a bit of a rat's nest here, but this is what we'll end up with. We'll get these all sorted out. All right. So next thing we're going to do in the next installment is put on our holder onto our robot.